So I'm going to be using step index market to explain to you how to do your trading analysis for sniper entries. As usual, always start doing your analysis on higher time frames. We as day traders, the highest time frame that it is reasonable to start with is the 4-hour time frame. Why? Because it is on this time frame where we get all the decisive information necessary on any particular market. Now on the 4-hour time frame, the first information that we get is that this market is on an uptrend movement. Second information is that it is known when this market moves in a very strong upward momentum like this, then at some point almost 90% of this movement is likely to be retested, since it is very rare for the market to move in a clear straight line. After knowing these two informations, we remind ourselves how an uptrend market moves, and that is clear series of higher highs and higher lows. Now, after getting all these necessary informations, it is then that we go to the lower time frame, and that is the 1-hour time frame, to see if there's any change of the market structure. And guys and girls, if you're still doing day jobs and you simply do not have the luxury of staying on your computer for a long time, then please consider subscribing to this channel, as I will be teaching you guys how to effectively do your analysis even on your smartphones. Now, getting back to our video, on the 1-hour time frame, we can see that the market is on a retest to the previous higher high of this uptrend movement. Hence, this zone is our area of interest, we as the potential buyers of this market. And this blue line here will be our exit point in case the market fails, because in order for you to be a successful trader, you must always define your exit point. Not at all times the market will move according to your analysis. Sometimes the market can move the way it wants. So it is very crucial for you as a day trader, or as a scalper trader, or even as a swing trader, to always define your exit point in case the market decides to go against you. And since on the 4-hour time frame, one of the information that we got is that this market is on a very strong uptrend momentum, for such cases as this, we do not wait for confirmation, since the buyers are very strong. Now, knowing that, we enter our trades ASAP. And guys and girls, do not exit the video yet. Let's see how this market will play out. Wait for the results.
A few moments later.
Guys and girls, as you can see for yourself, this is not magic but just skills. You can just see for yourself how this trade is playing out beautifully in very deep profits. And for those in my Telegram group, this call was given there, as you can see. So all members in this minor Telegram community right here are in deep bruise. For those who want to join my Telegram group, the link can be found in the description below. And as usual, do not forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.